Welcome to SAP SD Configuration. My name is Keith Milford. In this quick ref video, we're going to cover Incoterms. Let's take a quick look in the customer master XD03. Any customer will do. Go to the billing documents and we see here Incoterms. Let's drop that down and we see some values that are configured already. What we're going to do is configure our own new value and see it in the customer master. To do that, let's go to T-code SPRO for all configurations. Click on SAP Reference IMG, go to folder Sales and Distribution, Master Data, Business Partners, Customers, Billing Document, and then we have Define Incoterms. Fairly straightforward configuration here. You need a key and a description, so I'm going to do new entries. The key can be up to 3 characters. I'm just going to use KM and do a description. Now there's this other field, location mandatory, and that determines on the customer master whether you have to fill in another field or not. So on this one I'm going to make mandatory. Why don't I make another one that isn't mandatory so that we can see the difference on the customer master later on. Okay, so let's jump over to the customer master and see this in action. I'm going to put this into change mode so I can play with it. For the Incoterms, let's drop that down. And yes, our values are here, KM. Now when I press return, it's saying that I have to fill in part 2. That's what that mandatory field was for. The field now has a value, so if I try to save, everything is fine as far as SAP is concerned. I want to go back into change mode and use our other Incoterms of KM2. Well, let's pick it from the list just to be official. Blank this out, save, and yes, as expected, we were allowed to save for that Incoterm even though that field was blank. If this video was a little too fast for you or you were looking for more information, I have other videos that cover this topic in more depth. Also, I have lots of videos that cover a wide variety of topics. So please, go check them out.